Hey friends, if you encounter Windows 11 high CPU and high disk usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, I'll give you a few solutions that will ease down the disk and CPU both. So for that, we'll have to reduce applications and also the disk space. So first of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes. Click on OK and then select delete files. This will free up a little bit of space and ease down the disk usage. Another thing that I usually do is I go to the downloads folder. I check for documents and files and video files that I do not need and I delete them. Okay, so this way I'm able to free up a lot of space. Another thing I do is right click on the start button, select settings, apps, and then I'll go to startup apps, and then I'll check for any unnecessary app that is supposed to launch at startup and I remove it. Now, when I start up my computer, when I restart my computer, only apps that I physically launch will be running in the background, not otherwise. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.